Berachot 2:3. Hakore et Shema velo hishmi'a le'ozno. If a person reads the Shema, but he did not hear it, yatsa, meaning it was not audible to his ears. Rabbi Yosef Omer lo yatsa, does not fulfill his obligation. You have to hear what you're saying, because it says Shema, playing on the word that you should even hear your words. You shouldn't yell it, but your ear should hear it. Now, we're not going to get into what's the halacha, the Tana Kama, who's the first opinion, or Rabbi Yosef. This we have to get into the halacha books. Here we're just doing the Mishnah. Karav lo dikdek beotioteha. If a person reads, but he's not precise in saying the words, Rabbi Yosef Omer yatsa. Rabbi Yosef says he fulfilled his obligation. Rabbi Yehuda Omer lo yatsa. He did not. And this means you have to be enunciating or pronouncing the words correctly. Now, of course, if you say uchtavtam and you say ubtavtam, that's obvious. So what it comes to teach us is even things like when it says va'avaditem mehera, two mems at the end of the words, one in the end and one in the beginning, you have to get both of them in. So it's things like that. Also, when it says leman tizkiru, you want to, say the zayin so it doesn't sound like a shin or a sin, which is from the word sachar, that we're doing it to get reward. Leman tizkiru. There's different ideas that the rabbis explain, but you have to read all the words correctly. Now, hakore lemafreya. If a person reads out of order, lo yatsa, and this is just one opinion, everyone's opinion, meaning you can't say, first of all, there's paragraphs, pisukim, sentences, and then words. Words, for sure, you're not going to understand anything if you read words out of order. Uchtavtam al mizuzot, you say mizuzot al uchtavtam, no one's going to know, you're not going to get the message from the Shema. So that's no good. You won't be Yotzeh, you have to do it again. Sentences also, you have to read them. Even though it's a complete sentence, still the paragraph has a theme to it. You have to read it in order. However, paragraphs can be said out of order. You shouldn't do it, but if you did a paragraph out of order, at least you have the meaning of it intact, so it still becomes okay. Kara v'ta'a, if a person read but he made a mistake, yachzor lemakom sheta'a. He should go back to that place that he made a mistake and continue from there. Obviously, if you made a mistake while you're saying it, uchtavtam, you said ubtavtam, so of course you'll just go say uchtavtam a second later. The point is, if you moved on, you went already like a pasuk or two down, and then you remembered, I didn't really say this word right, you should go back to the uchtavtam and then just keep on going. Of course, there's other ideas involved in it, but that's just the simple meaning of that. So this Mishnah has two ideas. The first one is manner, how you read. Manner has three subtitles: audibility, enunciation, and order. And then two, because we said manner is one with the three parts, and then two is error. If you make a mistake, what do you do? Which has one halacha. It's very helpful when we title our Mishnayot.